Imagine a motorhome that redefines elegance on the road. Welcome to the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, where Japanese precision meets futuristic travel. Mazda, known for its commitment to design and driver-centric innovation, now steps into the luxury motorhome segment with something that will turn heads and win hearts. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome is not just about movement. It's about an experience that blends minimalism, performance, and futuristic living. At first glance, the exterior speaks volumes. Mazda's signature Kodo design language is fully realized in this sleek, sculpted form. The body features flowing lines, a seamless aerodynamic profile, and a glossy finish available in Soul Red Crystal, Snowflake White Pearl, and Jet Black Mica. The front fascia is adorned with an illuminated Mazda emblem, framed by ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights. Its wide grille and curved edges give it a sporty, yet commanding road presence. The blacked-out panoramic windows and integrated roof solar panels add a touch of modern sustainability and privacy. Moving to the sides, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome boasts electric sliding doors and auto-extending steps, adding both elegance and practicality. Retractable awnings offer shade for outdoor lounging, and the 22-inch alloy wheels with performance tires promise smooth handling. At the rear, a high-definition rear-view camera, LED tail lamps, and a hidden bike rack complete the clean design. The body is built on a lightweight yet durable composite frame, keeping the structure strong while reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. Inside, the motorhome welcomes you into a futuristic, Japanese-style living space. The interior combines traditional aesthetics with advanced technology. Think soft ambient lighting, light oak wood flooring, and natural linen upholstery with black and bronze accents. The open-plan layout makes excellent use of space, featuring a multifunctional living area that can convert into a lounge, workspace, or guest bedroom with the touch of a button. Mazda has partnered with Panasonic for a state-of-the-art entertainment system, including a retractable 60-inch OLED display, 360-degree surround sound, and smart home connectivity. The kitchen is compact, yet surprisingly well. It includes an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, steam oven, and modular counter space with underglow lighting. The countertops are made from recycled composite marble, both eco-friendly and stylish. Smart storage compartments use hydraulic lifts and hidden drawers to maximize space without clutter. All appliances are connected to the vehicle's central AI, which can preheat the oven, adjust lighting, or even recommend recipes based on what's in your fridge. The main bedroom is a true retreat. It features a queen-size memory foam bed with an automatic incline feature, blackout smart glass windows, and personalized climate zones. Overhead skylights allow natural light to pour in during the day, while automatic dimming glass ensures total privacy at night. A built-in aromatherapy, diffuser, and ambient sound system offer a spa-like atmosphere. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower with water-saving tech, a self-cleaning smart toilet, heated mirrors, and underfloor heating. The entire space is moisture-controlled, ensuring it stays dry and odor-free at all times. Plus, the gray water recycling system makes this motorhome one of the most eco-conscious in its class. Mazda didn't compromise on the driving experience. Either the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is powered by a plug-in hybrid rotary engine, combined with a dual electric motor setup for extended range and smooth performance. It delivers around 400 horsepower with instant torque, making highway cruising and hill climbing effortless. The vehicle includes Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system and G-vectoring control, plus, for better stability, especially on winding roads. An advanced air suspension adapts to different terrains, offering a sedan-like smooth ride on highways and a rugged stance on off-road trails. The cockpit is a driver's dream, with a fully digital curved dashboard, haptic feedback steering wheel, and voice-activated controls. The HUD projects navigation and vehicle diagnostics directly onto the windshield. Driving aids include autonomous lane assist, 360-degree obstacle detection, adaptive cruise control, and auto. The motorhome can even be summoned remotely through the Mazda Connect app. One standout feature is the smart AI co-pilot system that learns your habits, adjusts cabin settings automatically, and provides gentle reminders or alerts when needed. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, the Mazda AI makes the journey smoother and safer. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome starts at $139,000 for the base hybrid variant and goes up to $175,000 for the fully loaded Grand Touring model with full off-grid capability and solar charging extensions. With excellent fuel economy, luxurious amenities, and a refined aesthetic, this motorhome is set to be a game-changer in the segment. Whether you're a minimalist adventurer, a digital nomad, or a family looking for your next road trip upgrade, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome offers a blend of artistry and engineering rarely seen in this category. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels. Mazda has successfully brought its driving philosophy to a new arena, turning the journey itself into the destination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and futuristic vehicle showcases.